Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazagasquaji indun jaba. The Ojibwe word for April is Iskigamizige-giizis, and Iskigamizige-giizis means the maple sugar harvest moon. Although we harvest maple sap and turn it into maple syrup and sugar, sometimes starting as early as late February, often setting up in March, the harvest will continue into April. Our weather systems have been shifting and changing over time as well, and it used to be that the harvest would really begin at the end of March or early into April. Today, even though our weather has changed a little bit, the name remains Iskigamizige-giizis for April, still appropriately so, as that's often the height of our maple syrup harvest. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.